Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, June 12th, 2025, we're analyzing Google stock, combining recent news with detailed chart analysis. Recent news highlights OpenAI partnering with Google Cloud, while Apple's announcement of a dip in default Safari searches initially impacted Google shares, though the long-term effects were muted. We'll examine how these events correlate with price movements on the charts. Let's start by looking at the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the one-day chart, we see a period of significant volatility over the last year. In early March of 2025, the price dropped to around $150, then recovered before a large jump after an earnings report in late April. The price then dropped again in early May, before recovering to a trading range of $160 to $170 for the rest of May. Zooming in on the recent price action in June 2025, we observe Google attempting to break the $180 resistance, with a high of $181.10 before pulling back. The current price sits around $177.35, indicating a short-term bearish sentiment. We will see how the market closes today, which will be a good indication of short-term market sentiment. To understand the short-term dynamics better, let's switch to the one-hour chart to assess intraday trading patterns. The hourly chart shows some choppiness, but the recent dip below $177 suggests a potential short-term bearish trend. Keep an eye on the $176 level. A break below it may trigger further downside in the short term. Now let's move to the 15-minute chart for even finer detail. Looking at today's intraday action on the 15-minute chart, we can see a resistance forming around 179. It seems to have bounced off of that point a few times today. Also, the price action today suggests a battle between the bulls and the bears. The price appears to be attempting to find a new trading channel. For those interested in short-term trades, watch for breakouts above the $179 resistance or breakdowns below $177. Overall, Google is at an interesting juncture. While long-term analyst forecasts suggest a potential upside to around $200, short-term price action indicates caution. If Google breaks above $181.10 with strong volume, it could signal a bullish continuation. Conversely, a sustained break below $175 might lead to a test of lower support levels around $172. In summary, watch these key levels: resistance at $181.10, support at $175, and short-term support at $176. Keep an eye on news regarding the Google Cloud/OpenAI partnership and its potential implications. Remember, risk management is key. Always trade with a plan. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Until next time.